Hello guys, so today we're going to play like like sinking simulator, like it's realistic. Okay. What is that? We just stop there. Okay, in this game you have to sink the ship and then you can also like play. Okay, let's stop in here. Okay, this is my package, okay? This is my cargo. I'm going to go there. Yo! Why am I going backwards? Okay. We're here. Yo! Oh my goodness! Somebody just crashed the cargo ship. Yo, bro, chill. Oh my goodness, let's escape. Okay, I'm sorry, cargo. I'm going to broke you. Okay, run! Run! Jump! Why? Oh no. Sit down, bro. Is it break? Is it break? Is it break? Okay, still not. Oh my goodness! That just scared me, bro. Run! I heard that there's a sunken wooden ship somewhere around the island. If you find it, you'll be able to spawn it. Okay. Let me go up, bro. Okay, up. Up in here. Okay. Up in here. Okay, let's see let's see our boat and oh my. These are the pirates base, bro. Like, what is this? Wait, I wanna explore. No. Okay, I'm stuck in the tree now. I think this place is kinda lonely, bro. Not gonna lie. Okay. Oh. Yeah, it is covered. Okay. Okay. I'm going to do that. I'm going to do steam. I'm going to do the harvest. Okay. Oh, nice. This is gorgeous, bro. Okay, we're gonna explore it later. Okay, let's go. Okay. Dang. This ship is awesome, bro. Okay, we're not gonna go there. We're going to go over there, like in there, like look, like in there, like yeah, like that, like in there. Okay, now we're going to leave this and then explore. Okay, we have the lights. Okay, there's the lights. Okay, let's have a good idea. Okay, this is the SOS light. Okay, what else? Let's go down. Stop. I think this looks like what's it called again? A grill. Yeah, I'm sorry guys. Maybe to lift. Okay, we're on right now. Okay, where's the wood? So we're just gonna explore these cargoes. Okay. Okay, so there's another cargo. Well, it looks like there's no fence, but there's fence. Oh my! I think we're cooked, guys. What? Let me see the front. Let me see the front. Oh no 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 no. Oh no! Guys, we have technical issues here. Okay, we're going to stop that. Okay, we're going to do the SOS. We're going to stop this. Okay, we're going to there. Stop. 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 Okay, I'm gonna break it. Sorry, guys. Okay, now we're cooked. I shouldn't have done that. Kill. Kill. Oh, no. We're sinking. Oh gosh, there's a interesting friend here, guys. I don't wanna get it. Okay, run. Run! To make it more fun, guys. Okay, I'm going to give you one chance. No. Okay. Mommy! No! Mommy! Okay, Daddy. Okay. Okay, sorry for being weird. I just look like explosives. Oh. Okay, need to go there. Need to go there. Okay, it's safe in here. Yes. Okay, it's safe in here. Oh, never mind. Ah! No. Don't shut down. No! Is it sinking? No. Okay, run. How dare you guys? I'm going to put you. Run! Not in here! Okay. Okay. Over there! Goodbye. See you soon. Now we're sinking in the calculations. Oh, shoot. It's not me the... I just made the boat. Yes. Whew. Never mind. So you're going to do the tugboat. I mean this one. That is the first one. Okay, let's do this. Okay, we're going to start the engine first. Before we leaving. Where's the... Whoa. Let's do this. Okay, please don't crash the boat. Okay, somebody's crashing their boat again. Okay. So that's it. It just seems to be a boring, so I'm going to you know what I'm going to do? Oh. No. Ah! Okay, run. Thank you for the air. Jump. No. Okay, we're sinking. Call for help. Monkey. Jump. Oh my god, this is so run. Okay. Let's go. Wait, is this real? There are really like captain? Oh no! You know what I saw? An iceberg. But it's not gonna be good. Because me after all. Why did it turn back? Oh! I'm a captain. Oh, these are everything. Stop. 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 Come here. Okay, the lights will off on. Okay, now we're going to turn off the lights. Start the engine. Start the engine. Never mind. Ah! Run! Run! Okay, so we're acting good. Oh! Oh, shoot! Monkey, monkey! Oh, okay, chill. Wait, where's the lightsaber? No! 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 Okay, take the lightsaber! Lightsaber? Okay, 3. On. Yes. Surrounding. Okay, let's jump into this. Okay, sinking too. No. No. Jump. No. Okay, let's say no. Okay, let's do it again. What is this? What is this? It's the light character. What is this? Fast, okay? Let's just try it. No. Okay, it's possible. I